welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Arya Sharma. I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. Guys, do you get frustrated when you can't reach that top shelf in a supermarket or in your kitchen? Well, I do, and I'm sure there's many girls out there who are saying yes. But the sad thing is we cannot really do anything about it. But I have got a solution for that today, and that's what today's video is about. So today's video is all about how to make yourself look taller, and I'm going to be sharing 5 tips that will help your appearance to look taller than you actually are. So let's begin. So the step number 1 to make yourself look taller is always go for minimal prints or smaller patterns. I think if you go for like a big large patterns or bold prints, then it literally overshadows your body, and even if you have like a really nice great body, then it doesn't allow you to showcase that. So I do not recommend bold and large prints on petite girls. Another tip that I would like to give is always go for ponytails. It has something about it, the ponytail shoes, it really helps to elevate your legs and make it look longer. So the third step is always go for monochromatic looks. I know there's a big misconception of monochrome being always all black. It doesn't have to be like that. I'm telling you, you can wear whichever color you want, but it just has to be like head to toe in that color. Even if it's blue, white, red, yellow, beige, whichever tone you prefer, you may go for those kind of monochromatic look. Wearing monochrome really helps your appearance to make it look longer and lengthier, and I swear by that for me. The next tip I would like to give to you guys, if you want to look more taller, is to wear more suits or coordinates, whichever you want to call them. Suits have really something powerful about them. It gives your body a nice structure, a nice look, makes you look really smart, and also helps you look a bit taller. And the last tip is that I would suggest everyone to watch out the proportion of the clothes that you're wearing. What I mean by that is, if you're wearing a baggy top, then you should always go for a tighter bottoms and vice versa.